Dear student, today we are going to learn how to construct bisector of a given angle. So first we will make an angle. So here we have a angle. So here we got an angle. Now you know this point is called as vertex of an angle. We'll name this point as P. So your P is called as vertex of this angle. Now we have to bisect this angle. It means we have to divide this angle in two equal measures. So you know your bisector will go like that. Okay, it will go like that. So it will divide in two equal parts. So what we need to do to bisect this angle, we need to keep the compass at the vertex of this angle. Alright, and you can take any length whatever you want. Okay, and make a arc on the one side of this angle and the arc on the other side of an angle of same measures. Right, now we'll name these 2 points as Q and this point as R. Now we are going to keep the pointer of the rounder at point Q. Okay, you can see that I have placed it compass at point Q. You can take the same length what you have taken it before and you will make the arc inside this angle like this. Okay, now place it at point R and make an arc inside the angle such that both the arcs should intersect each other. Now we'll name this point as S. Now we'll join point P with S to get the bisector of this angle. So let's see that I'm going to join over here point P with point S. So you can see that here this ray divides angle in two equal parts. So we got a bisector of an angle.